Hello, Craig here from Eagle Eye. Today, the sign word of the day is brought to you by the letter W, and we're going to talk window perf. Now, you might be saying, what's wrong with my screen? I can't see exactly clear. Well, it's because you're looking through window perf. Hopefully that looks a little better. Let's talk some window perf. Let's dig in. So today we're talking window perf. What is window perf? Where is it used? What can it be used for? Can it be used outdoors? Let's start with what is window perf. Window perf is a perforated vinyl. It's no different than a car wrap film, but it's perforated with a bunch of holes. I'm going to zoom this in on the camera so, well, that way you can see all the holes. Now, there's different styles of window perf, 50-50, 60-40, 70-30. We use a 60-40 here at Eagle Eye. It seems to be the most general, around-purpose, all-purpose window perf. Now, what's cool about the window perf is that it is applied on the outside of your glass and that allows you to see through it. So, for example, I'll put this up here to the camera and, well, you can still see me if you were looking in. So it's not 100% privacy, but it does provide some privacy. Now, let me flip this over to show you what you would be looking through. See, I can see the camera, not clearly, but you can clearly see me. Window perf is a great product. The best window perf out there is about a 2-year product. So if you wrap a vehicle and you put a high performance film wrap on the vehicle, you probably need to tell the customer that they would be coming back in about a year or two to replace the window perf. Now, you can add an optically clear laminate on top of the window perf, but I still think that's kind of hard to see through. And window perf is really great on windows on a car wrap, but you need to be aware that when it rains outside, these little holes fill up with water, so it can be kind of difficult to see outside. Now, as I mentioned, there are different styles of window perf, and I mentioned that we use a 60-40. They do make a 70-30, and I do like that, and I'll tell you where I use that application mostly. Let's say you have a customer that has an office, lots of big windows, but that old sun just comes in there and beats down on them. Well, I would use a 70-30 there, and I've done that for a few clients, even one of our suppliers. And it really blocked the sun, really cut down on their electric bill, and helped them to be able to see out, but of course people couldn't see in, so it served a dual purpose. Like I said, window perf is a great product. It's used all the time, everywhere. You can use it as a small graphic to put on a window to maybe promote a store product or an item, wrap a car window with it, or wrap a complete office window with it with logos on the outside to block that sun and promote a business. So again, window perf, great product. I love the product. I use a lot of it, and we use a lot of it here at our offices. So there you go. Sign word of the day, window perf. As always, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and always follow us online, eagleeyesigns.net, and thank you for your support.